time. Still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray. Couple new blessings every time.
Hey guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is go in with some concealer on my lids because I already applied my foundation and I did my brows off camera, but I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 08 to prime my lids. I always like to use a primer that's lighter than my skin just because I feel like the colors pop more when your lids are lighter. Now I'm going into the Morphe 35B palette. I know this palette is not available anymore, but I still have it. I think the closest palette to this one is probably the James Charles palette. Then again, you could go to ColourPop and get one of their palettes too because, you know, their stuff is popping as well. But I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm just packing that purple shade in. The reason why it's not coming like off super dark yet is because the purple is not as dark as it looks on camera. So I'm having to pack that color, you know, on so I can get it to the color that I really want it to be. And then I decided to go ahead and do one eye off of camera because I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do yet. So I'm back, okay? So I went in with that magenta color like you guys saw, and I'm just gonna be blending that purple shade out. I didn't want to use a light purple. I kind of wanted to do like purple, pink, and peach. My background is looking really orange though. It's kind of weird, but in person it's definitely the color that's on my lids, which is why it's so crazy. But yes, I'm just going in with that magenta shade, and then once I see that the purple is starting to like fade a little too much, I just, you know, add a little bit more. So I'm just going back and forth with those two colors. So as you guys can see, this is a half cut crease, but I have to place my concealer on my lid and look up so that the concealer gets to where it'll be seen because my eyelids are a little hooded. As you can see on the other eye, you can see that line on my eye. That's where my eyelid stops. So I have to, you know, give myself more eyelid quotation space, just so my eyeshadow looks, you know, more vibrant, more, I don't know, I can't explain it, but because my eyelids are small, I have to do this. But I do not set my concealer. I use it to make sure my eyeshadows stick. That's a trick that I learned as of lately. Before I used to set my concealer. Now I don't set my concealer when I'm doing bright eye colors. It just makes the color payoff come out like way better. So yeah, you guys, this was a really simple look. Shockingly, it probably doesn't look super simple, but it really is. Like, it's really simple. Now I'm going in with that darker purple, and I'm using it to smoke out the outer corners because I wanted to give this look some depth. You know, I didn't want it to just be, I don't know, just plain, you know. I wanted to add that purple, and then I decided to go in with that magenta shade right in between the purple and the peach. It just really gave it, you know, some more dimension. Like, I really like the fact that I added that. If I hadn't added that, I probably wouldn't like the look as much. So yes, it's so pretty. So now with my favorite liner, this is the NYX NYX, whatever you want to call it. Their liquid liner, and this one is in black matte. I freaking love this one. It's so nice. It's definitely up there with the NYC one. I personally like the NYC one better because it was cheaper, of course. And I don't know, I just like the way it you know, the way you put it on, but whatever. As you guys saw, I contoured my face using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick or foundation stick, and this one is in the shade Hazelnut, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's in the shade Truffle. It's in the shade Truffle, and I'm just using a small dual fiber brush. This one is actually from e.l.f. It was like $4 at Target or wherever I got it from. I know it was cheap though, so go to Target and look at, you know, the e.l.f. brushes. They're really nice. Or you can go to Walmart. They have them at Walmart, or TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They always have brushes. But Now I'm just going to be applying my concealer. This is also the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, but this one is in the shade medium dark, 36. This is a part of like the, you know, the medium shades or whatever, but yeah. Y'all know how to highlight. Y'all been watching makeup videos. I know y'all know where to highlight and stuff, so I don't have to explain that. But now I'm just blending out my concealer, and then I'm gonna set my concealer using the Patrick Starr setting powder in collaboration with MAC. I really like that setting powder. I'm not sure if I like it better than I like the Laura Mercier. I just think they're a little different, but I do like it. Some people like it better than the Laura Mercier powder though, but I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I really don't know, but yes, I'm just blending out my concealer, and then I'm gonna set it. Now to set my cream contour, I'm going in with my MAC what is this powder called? Oh, Studio Fix, that's what it's called. MAC Studio Fix powder, and this one is in the shade NW45. I love this powder to set my contour with. It's just so nice and so pigmented. Like, y'all, I've been using this powder for the longest, ever since I started doing makeup, because I used to take my mom's MAC powder to set my contour when I was learning how to do contour. So this is like a OG product in my kit. And I'm just gonna use that same powder to set my nose contour. I know it looks a little harsh right now, but I like for it to look like that, and then I blend it out on the sides, just so you know. You want it to look like you contoured your nose. You know what I mean? You don't want it to look like, I don't know, y'all. But now I'm going in with the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. And I'm just putting that all over my face. I like to use this as like my face powder, you know what I mean? But my nose looks really snatched. Like, I really like the way it looks. I like when it looks kind of contoured. Like, I don't like when it looks like I didn't contour it at all. That's what I meant. And now I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Nude. I almost wish I would have added a little bit of the NYX HD Double Dare blush, just so it could be like a corally shade, kind of like my eyelids, but it's fine. If you want to add a little bit of peach on your cheeks, that would be cute. I don't know why I didn't think of that before now, but now I'm going in with some white gel liner for my waterline. I wanted my eyes to pop a little bit more, especially because I'm doing like darker colors, like the purple is dark. I wanted to bring some brightness to my eyes. I didn't want them to just be washed out. So now I'm going in with that pencil brush in that darker purple shade, and I'm using that to smoke out my bottom lash line. And then you guys can't really tell on camera, but I am gonna go in with the peach shade that's on my lids, and I'm gonna use that shade to smoke out my bottom lash line even more. But for some reason on the camera, it doesn't really pick up as much as it does in person. So I just want to go ahead and let you guys know I did use the peach shade, and it really did come off. You just can't really tell on the video, but yeah, you guys, this look is so fire. Oh my god, I'm really, you know, loving playing with color. Like, I really got tired of doing the neutral looks, y'all. I was like, I need some color in my life, you know what I mean? But I went ahead and did my lashes off camera. I can't remember what style lashes these are, but it will be in the description box. And I just went in with my MAC eyeshadow. This is a single eyeshadow. It's called Lilac. It's not called Lilac. I think it's called Lilac or something like that. I think it was discontinued, but it's like a really light purple shade, and it has like glitter in it. But that's what I use in my inner corner. And now I'm using my Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Gold Addict on my cheeks, and you know, everywhere that I like to highlight my nose and Cupid's bow and all of that, honey. You have to be glowy. This is a very spring, summer vibe look with the bright colors and stuff. So pretty. Now for the lips, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Black Brown. I don't know why I use a super dark shade if I was going to try to cover it up anyway. Like, it's pointless, but if I were you, I wouldn't use this shade. I would use the Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Coco. It's like a lighter brown, not as harsh. Like, I feel like I look like a chola. Like, I'm about to like a chola, you know what I mean? But it's okay. I figured out how to blend in. Sometimes I like a darker lip liner, but for this look, I don't know why I did that. Especially with that super light pink, you know what I mean? But it's okay. That's why I took a brush and I blended it out a little bit. Blended that lip liner out a tad bit because I didn't want it to look, you know, super harsh, you know? So that's what that is. I'm not cleaning up around my lips. I'm blending out that liner just a tad bit, honey. We don't need that. And then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Crush by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I'm going in with my NYX lip gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. And then I'm gonna go over that using a MAC lip gloss, which y'all, I cannot even think of what it's called. Let me see. I actually have my makeup bag right here by me, so let me see before the video ends. I want to tell y'all what it is. Okay, it's in the shade Dress to Dazzle, y'all, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Comment down below and let me know what other looks you guys want to see from your girl, and I would definitely get those out to you guys. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all. Mwah.